In the bustling kitchen of the Mini Chef's Academy, Chef Beary Blossom and their friends, Bunny Baker, Panda Pâtissier, Kitty Cooks, and Squirrel Sous Chef, were excitedly exploring a mysterious book Bunny had found hidden beneath a pile of flour. "Wow, look at all these pictures of fruits and veggies," exclaimed Bunny, flipping through the colourful pages. "I bet we could have some fun with this." Chef Beary nodded, their eyes twinkling with excitement. "Indeed. Let's turn this into a game. We'll take turns guessing fruits and vegetables that start with each letter of the alphabet." "Yay! I love games," cheered Kitty Cooks, twirling her whisk in anticipation. "Who wants to go first?" "I'll kick things off. A is for apple," shouted Squirrel Sous Chef, their bushy tail wiggling with enthusiasm. "Correct," applauded Chef Beary. "Now, who can guess a fruit or vegetable that starts with the letter B?" Bunny Baker bounced up and down, a mischievous twinkle in their eye. "B is for banana, and also for broccoli." "Bravo, Bunny! That's right!" Panda Pâtissier exclaimed, giving Bunny a high five. "Now, on to the letter C." "C is for carrot," Kitty Cooks chimed in, her whisk whisking away. And so, the mini chefs continued their game, their laughter echoing through the kitchen as they explored the magical world of fruits and vegetables. "D is for durian," shouted Bunny Baker, scrunching up their nose at the thought of the stinky fruit. "E is for eggplant," Panda Pâtissier proclaimed proudly, envisioning the purple beauty. "F is for fig," Kitty Cooks added, her eyes sparkling with delight. "G is for grape," Squirrel Sous Chef chimed in, popping a juicy grape into their mouth. "H is for honeydew," Chef Beary declared, their eyes twinkling with delight at the thought of the sweet melon. "I is for iceberg lettuce," Bunny Baker exclaimed, their ears perking up with excitement. "J is for jicama," Panda Pâtissier added, their imagination running wild with thoughts of the crunchy root vegetable. "K is for kiwi," Kitty Cooks proclaimed, her whisks swirling with delight. "And L is for lemon," Squirrel Sous Chef shouted, puckering up their lips at the thought of the sour fruit. But just as they were about to guess the next letter, a loud cackle echoed through the kitchen. Greedy Grump, the mischievous villain, appeared out of nowhere and snatched the alphabet book from Chef Beary's paws. "Ha ha ha! With this book, I'll rid the Mini Chef's Academy of healthy foods forever," Greedy Grump declared, disappearing in a puff of smoke. "Oh no, we have to stop Greedy Grump and save the alphabet book," exclaimed Panda Pâtissier, determination gleaming in their eyes. And so, with their hearts full of courage and their stomachs full of nutritious snacks, Chef Beary and their friends set off on a daring quest to retrieve the alphabet book and restore balance to the Mini Chef's Academy. Through their thrilling adventure, the mini chefs learned about the importance of teamwork, resilience, and the joy of exploring new foods. And as they journeyed through Foodlandia, they discovered that by embracing a diverse range of fruits and vegetables, they could create delicious and healthy meals that would nourish their bodies and their souls. In the end, with their bellies full of nutritious snacks and their hearts full of friendship, Chef Beary and their friends triumphed over Greedy Grump and saved the Mini Chef's Academy from a sugary fate. And as they sat together in the cozy kitchen, flipping through the pages of the alphabet book, they knew that their culinary adventures were only just beginning.